Need the short answer before highchair shopping gets noisy? Start with IKEA Antilop for most homes. Choose Stokke Tripp Trapp for long use. Pick Phil&teds Lobster for meals away, and Chicco Bento for booster flexibility. Add the Antilop cushion for tiny new eaters. Choose around cleanup, baby fit, storage space, and how long the seat must last. For most homes, start with the IKEA Antilop. Buy it if you want the low-stress pick, light, stable, cheap, and quick to wipe. Banana, yogurt, and mystery dinner smears come off without drama. It works well in small kitchens, because it needs little space or upkeep. The catch is the bare-bones design. There is no padding, height adjustment, footrest, or growing kid feel. The tray can also fight you. Skip it if folding, adjustability, or a polished furniture look matters. If the Antilop feels oversized for a baby starting solids, add the IKEA Antilop Supporting Cushion and cover. It gives smaller sitters a snugger position without making cleanup miserable. The washable cover helps. Just know it is a short-stage fix, and another mealtime item to wash. If you want one chair living at the table for years, consider the Stokke Tripp Trapp Chair. Buy it if long-term use beats the lowest upfront price. It feels more like furniture than baby gear, and it joins family meals neatly. The catch is cost. The baby-ready setup can get expensive, because key extras are not always included. Assembly and adjustments also need patience. At about 15 pounds, it is not ideal for constant room-to-room moving. Skip it if budget simplicity matters most. For restaurants or family visits, the Phil&teds Lobster Clip-On Highchair is the travel problem solver. Buy it if you need a seat that packs small and uses no floor space. It helps when restaurant chairs feel gross, or grandparents lack a full high chair. The catch is cleanup. Fabric needs more effort than smooth plastic, and the tray can feel less secure. It also depends on the table. Skip it as your everyday chair, especially for a bigger toddler. For a compact booster setup, pick the Chicco Bento 3-in-1 booster seat. Buy it if you want one practical seat for tight kitchens, backyard meals, restaurants, or grandparent visits. It can strap to a dining chair, or sit low when that works better. That flexibility is the benefit. The catch is fit. Booster mode still needs the right chair, and the tray takes practice. Skip it if you want a full-height standalone chair, or a more decor-forward piece. Quick split. Most homes, IKEA Antilop. Tiny Antilop sitter, add the cushion. Long table use, Stokke Tripp Trapp. Meals away, Phil&teds Lobster. Compact booster needs, Chicco Bento. Before buying, picture real meals. Check tray removal, floor space, wipe down surfaces, and storage between feedings. For strapped or clamped seats, confirm the chair or table first. Avoid paying for years if you need months. Start with the IKEA Antilop if you are unsure. Switch to Tripp Trapp for long use. Choose Lobster for meals away, or Bento for booster flexibility. Then add the Antilop cushion for the early roomy seat stage. Links are in the description.